Hello, I'm Sabrina. Welcome back to another exhausted.ca's review and two. Today, I'm going to take you around the brand new 2019 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. So let's jump in. For a while, we didn't know what was going to happen with the Veloster. After only a few years on the market, there were actually rumors that the model might be discontinued. Thankfully, 6 years in the making and we're finally getting a second generation of the Veloster. Let me show you what's new. At the front, you will notice the brand new headlamp design, inspired by the other Hyundai family members. The bumper also integrates a brand new cascading grille design, as well as air curtains. On the side of the car, you will notice that the roofline is sloping a lot more than it was. They made it lower. It looks great from the outside. However, on the inside, sitting at the back, you do notice a bit of a difference. The space feels a lot more claustrophobic than it used to, and the sitting isn't low enough to compensate. So be careful if you plan on having tall passengers, you might get into trouble. The interior design has changed a fair bit as well. In the previous generation, we used to have that V-shaped dashboard. Now, they traded for something a little more conventional. I'm not crazy about the off-center touchscreen, but the overall ensemble is rather pleasing. Also new to this generation is the heads-up display, as well as the wireless charging pad. Another change that they've made for 2019 is the choice of engines. Back in 2012, the entry-level engine was a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated engine. Now, you get a 2-liter engine. What doesn't change, however, is the turbo, and this is the version I'm driving right now, the 1.6-liter turbo engine, rated at 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. However, as the owner of the 2012 first-generation Veloster, the change I'm probably most excited about is the suspension. The first generation had a torsion bar at the back, and you could feel in the curves that the back of the car was a little wobbly. Now, you get independent on all 4 wheels. It's a lot smoother and also better grounded. It took 6 years for us to get here, but it was totally worth it. Now, the only question I'll have to answer is whether I want to switch mine for this one. That's all, folks. Thanks a lot for watching. You can give our channel a big thumbs up, check us out on Instagram and on Facebook. Until next time.